Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by cosine y. Next, I will put the s and this one go to the left. Next, we integral both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So we need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So we need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of s ds. This one we have u. This one we change by du. And we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of cosine y. Now we have the conditions. So I will put s equals to number 0 cone here. Y equals to b over 4 cone here. So this one we have number 2. This one we have the square root of number 2 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. So this one, capital A, that is about the square root of number 2. Capital B, that is about number 2. We need to transform into this one. We know that the square root, that is about number 2 to the power of 1 over 2. So we have the second formula in here. And that is about b ln 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now I will put ln number 2 go to the right. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 minus 1. And we have negative number 3 over 2 ln number 2. So we go back to this one. So I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.